Perfect. So now we are live also on the other platform. You guys can, I'm going to share the link on the Telegram group. Yeah. It's just me. All right, perfect. So guys, welcome back to another live. I hope you guys are doing great. We're back again live on TikTok to analyze, trade, and learn. All right, this is your first time joining the live. Welcome. It's nice to have you here. What I do here, I come live pretty much every day, 2 times per day, and I come here to analyze the Forex market and the crypto market for you guys. And then I also do some live trading. If I see a good trading setup, I'll take the trade live on TikTok so you guys can see how the entire process works, and you can also learn how it is that you can make money from trading and all that. Make sure you follow me on TikTok here and also join my Telegram group so you can learn more completely for free. Okay, the link is in the bio. Just head over to my TikTok bio right now and join the trading, the Telegram group. Okay, and then also sign up with my broker that I recommend. There's 2 brokers that I use. The first one is abouto.com, and then the other one is FXCC. You can sign up with this broker. Very great broker. They have low spread. It's going to help you to save money on trading fees and all that. So sign up using the link in my bio, okay? So guys, we will get started now with the analysis. I'll start off by analyzing gold. As always, so this is what I currently have on my chart right now is gold. We will analyze gold, and then we'll take a look at Bitcoin, GBP/USD, and then later on we can also look at any other pairs that that you guys would like me to analyze. And by the way, the times that I come live, days and time, is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And the first time is around 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, and then the second time is around 10 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, except on Friday, I don't come in the evening, 10 p.m. on Fridays. I don't, because the market is technically closed, so there's no point in coming around on Friday. Okay, so yeah, so make sure you follow me on TikTok and join my Telegram group. Okay, so you don't miss out. Okay. So we will start with the analysis. Here I have gold, and then I will also let me also have a different chart here open as well, so we can easily just switch. So I have another screen here. Okay, so let's start off with gold. Let me turn off the music for now. So let's start off with gold here. We will analyze gold looking at the daily time frame as always. We want to start with that time frame. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the daily time frame here, and those who are watching on YouTube, please like the live, give the thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, so by the way, this gold trade signal that I gave earlier today on the live that I was on this morning, I gave you guys a buy signal here, and the first TP actually got hit on that. It didn't get hit on the live, it got hit after the live. Okay, so after I ended the live, that's when the market hit the first TP. Second TP hasn't yet been hit. Okay, I don't think it hasn't. Yeah, I don't think it. Wait, actually, maybe it did. I need to. Yeah, anyways, it doesn't matter whether it got hit or not. I already closed my trade. Okay, I made 300 on it. That's awesome. Good to hear that. I made about $200 on that trade as well, and I'm already out. I got out on the first take profit. Okay, so let's start with the analysis here. Okay, so this is the daily time frame here for gold, and then what we see By the way, this signal, I'm going to delete it just because it's not needed right now for this live. Okay, so yeah, so right now we can see gold is currently trading at 26. The current price is 26.60 right there. And then gold is in an uptrend right now, as you guys already know. It's in an uptrend. Okay. What else to note here? Right now we have resistance at 26.82. Okay, that is our current resistance on this daily time frame. So we can see when price got rejected there, it came down. It came all the way down to 26.24. And then from there, it bounced back up. Okay, the last daily candle that just closed actually closed bullish. So right now, it has built support now at 26.23. Okay, so now we have a new support that price I just built here. So this could be a nice area to look for buying opportunity for gold. So anywhere between 26.23 up around 26.62. Okay, these are like good areas for buys for gold. And then this uptrend is still intact as long as gold remains above this previous higher low here. Okay, this is still the most critical level for gold to actually hold for this uptrend to continue. So that's 25.47. We have to continue to hold that in order for this uptrend to continue. Okay, so we want to look for buying opportunities for gold. Okay, so best area to buy, like I said, anywhere around 26, 23, around there. Okay, around this area, 26, 23, 26.40. That's it on the daily time frame here. Other than that, we can also buy if the price breaks above this current resistance, which is at 26.85. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to the 4-hour time frame here so we can just just have a better understanding of what's happening here. So which platform can I use in Canada? So the one that I've used and recommend is Fexify. Okay, Fexify. So that's F. If I can type it, let's see. Fexify. Okay, so that is a platform that's actually good. You can go and check it out. Look at their website. They have very good rules and all that. Okay, Fexify.com. Okay. Okay, so yeah, so now we're looking at the 4-hour time frame. Once more, we can see here. We can see price is obviously in an uptrend here, and then we were in this minor pullback the price was doing here, and then it started going back up. Okay, so now as the price is going back up, we can see we have some resistance here at 26.62, which price actually broke above. So I think gold is actually going to go higher, okay, because of the fact that it has been able to break from this downward movement that it was forming. So right now gold is most likely on the way to go and retest this previous high here at 26. So between 26.77, 26.85, that is basically the high that gold is going to go retest, since it has been able to find support at 26.23 there. It found very strong support, so it's most likely very high chance it's going to go back to 26.85 there to retest that. Okay, so as of right now, you want to look for buying opportunities. Okay, strong support between 26.23 and 26.40. Okay, on this 4-hour time frame. If the price ends up coming back here, definitely enter a buy. Okay, once if that support holds, okay, you can look for buy here. However, if the price doesn't return here, we do have another support here, which is actually on the 1-hour time frame. So this is the 1-hour time frame. Okay, we can see we have this nice uptrend that the market is in, and then so right now we have some support here at 26.46. Okay, so we have some support around 26.46 there. I think this could be also another good buying opportunity for gold if price comes down to it. Okay, price comes down to it, you can look for buys here as well. Okay, but regardless, for now, you don't want to look to sell gold because the market is in an uptrend right now and it is going to most likely go higher. So the best trade to be taking right now is a buy. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be looking for, is a buy. Okay, now right now I'm not looking for this live. I'm going to take buys on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, I'm going to be scalping the market here, and I already sort of like see a good buying opportunity, which I'm actually going to take. Okay, I see here on the 1 hour time frame, price is actually holding this current support here. Okay, we're holding the support between 26.56 and yeah, 26.62 there. So price is actually holding that support. So I'm going to enter a buy here and then target 26.64 there, number one, and then number two, a target 26.69, 26.70. Okay, did you close the TP3 from earlier? No, the price actually didn't get to TP3. Actually it did. Yeah, it did get to TP3, but I closed out on the second. I closed out on the first TP actually. So yeah, so this trade here, I'm gonna enter. Okay, so let's open up abatto.com here, the trading platform that we use. Okay, and I will take this trade on gold. Okay, so I'm gonna just take this trade with 0. Let's just use 0.5. Okay, so trading with that. Okay, I have the trade open up right now on abatto.com. Okay, so this is a buy on gold, and then first take profit is gonna be at 26.63. 64, 26.64, and we have 26.69. Okay, so those are the highs that we're gonna target. Made enough profit from morning, gonna hold back on this one. Yeah, feel free, don't feel the need to take every signal that I share here. If you already made profit, your target for the day, just call it a day. Okay, and then you can come back again tomorrow to take another trade. Okay, so let me just write it down here. And for those who are in the VIP Telegram group, if you guys are watching this live right now, like don't feel the need to take this signal yet. Okay, if you're still in the trade, that I posted in the VIP group earlier, the price hasn't yet hit the first take profit. Actually, it did. Never mind. It did hit the first take profit, but the second take profit hasn't been hit yet. Okay, so if you're still in the trade and you want to hold up to the second take profit, then you can continue to remain in that trade. But if you want to enter another trade, you can. Okay, and the entry points, I'm going to write it down on this live. Okay, select raw spread. Okay, so TP number one is going to be at 26.64, and then TP number two will be at 26.69. We'll just say that, and then TP number three, we will say let me see. Okay, I need to see what is the highest the price can go as of right now. Okay, we'll target 26.73. Okay, because that is current, that's the resistance, your major resistance. So 26.73. Okay, two phase. Okay, and then in terms of like stop loss, okay, to really protect your protect yourself, make sure you use a lot size that is good for this stop loss. Okay, because the stop loss, I'm aware it is a huge stop loss, but this is how I'm able to ensure that the trade always runs in profit. is because I don't use such tight stop losses. I use a stop loss that I know for sure market, like there's very low chance it's going to hit that stop loss. Okay, according to the strategy that I'm using, very low chance the price is going to hit that stop loss. So that's why I have it around that level to protect the account. Okay, so yeah, so that's the stop loss right there, 26.45. Actually, we'll put it at 26.46. Okay. Yeah, so 26.46. So this is a buy. I entered already on abatto.com. Okay. So let's see how this trade plays out. Okay, so I've already told you guys gold is in an uptrend and it's most likely going to go up. And you want to look for buying opportunity anywhere around 26.47 and 26.60. Okay, anywhere around the zone, these are good area to buy gold. Okay, so that's all for gold. That's all for gold analysis. And let me see first, maybe if I was not. Yeah. So now let's analyze. Let's actually analyze. Let's look at Euro USD because I actually have it on the screen here. Let's take a look at that. Yeah, so Euro USD, let's see what's going on here. So this is the daily time frame here. So we can see this we have sort of like a bearish pattern getting printed here. And then with this bearish pattern, okay, the support market has to hold as of right now is 1.10. Okay, the price is going to continue pushing higher. We can break below 1.10. Okay, so 1.10 is now like the critical support level that the market needs to hold. If it holds that support, then it's most likely going to bounce back up, okay, towards this previous high. However, if it breaks below 1.10, then it's most likely going to start dropping lower. So you want to look for selling opportunities. Well, as for now, as long as the market is above 1.10, you want to look to buy, okay? Buy anywhere around 1.10, 72, and 1.10.07, okay? Two phase. So it's best to select two phase, okay? All right, so now let me go on let's go on this 1 hour time frame here. Okay, so this 1 hour time frame here, what do we see here? Okay, we can see on this 1 hour time frame, price is sort of like, I guess you would say, in a downtrend. Okay, in a downtrend here, but right now it's building support at 1.1046. okay, we're building support around there, so I think the price is gonna be able to push back up to retest this resistance that it just broke out of. Okay, so there's resistance here at right here, so this previous support, okay, so we have, so this was previous support that the price was holding. Okay, we can see here, and now price broke below it. You see we got a candle closing below the support, so this turns into resistance. Okay, so because price is below it, it's now resistance, and ever since the price broke out, it hasn't really retested it, so there's a very high chance that it's most likely going to go and retest 1.1114, you know, and it could go even higher to 1.1162 around there, because those are basically the resistance level for the price. Okay, and since we're building support here, this is providing good opportunity to actually enter a buy, temporary buy up to this resistance, and then from here, if we get rejected, we most likely will continue going down. Okay, lower. So that's why for this pair here, I'm currently in a buy, Okay, I'm actually in a buy with this pair here, Euro USD, and you should look for buying opportunity as well. I've already told you guys you want to buy around 1.10 and 1.1060. Okay, around there we have support there. Okay, so we're done with Euro USD. Let's go and check. Wow. Get raw spread. Okay, raw spread. Share. Select raw spread. Alright. Yeah, if you do any add-ons, just know it's going to be extra fee. It's not needed. Okay, the add-ons, it's not needed, honestly. The only one I would add is the one for bi-weekly payment. If you want to receive payments every 2 weeks, then select that add-on. However, if you don't care about getting paid once a month, then you don't need to add that on. Okay. When is the last day to sign up for the course? In October. So the last day to register for the trading class in October is October 26th. Okay. October 26th is the deadline to register. So now I'm looking at GBP USD to see what is going on, see what is the next best trading opportunity available in the market for GBP USD. Okay, so what we see here, again, we are in an uptrend here. Okay, now we have a support at 32.63 here. Okay, we have support at 32.63, which price basically came down to right now to retest. So far, this retest here, I think the price is holding it. If you go on the lower time frame, it's holding. However, it's going to be even more powerful if we get daily candle closing right above this support here of 32.62. If we get a daily candle closing here, definitely you want to enter a buy. You want to enter a buy for GBP USD because it is in an uptrend, and when the market is in an uptrend, the best trade to take is to be buying, okay, not to sell. So that is it here for GBP USD. And then previous higher low, 3 minutes bullish or bearish. It is bullish. Okay. I didn't check the 15, but I'm going based on the 1 hour. So based on the 1 hour time frame, gold is currently bullish. Okay, so now this is the low GBP USD has to hold here. Okay, so that's now a critical level for this uptrend to continue. It has to respect 31.50. Technically can break below 31.50. If it breaks below it, then it could start a downtrend. Okay, it could start heading way lower. Okay, so for now you want to look for buy, and the price is literally at a really good spot to enter a buy. Okay, for GBP USD, and then our previous high here is at 34.24. Okay, so that's our previous high, and that's our current resistance on this daily time frame. Okay, so if we get a daily candle close at this support here, 32.62 or whatever, price is most likely going to go back up to retest that previous high of 34.23. Okay, so now let's go on the 4 hour time frame and see what is the chart looking like here. So in this 4 hour time frame, we see we have a nice uptrend here, and then yeah, price touched that support right here and it quickly bounced up. As you guys can see, we closed bullish right at that support. So this is a good time for GBP USD. I would definitely look to buy GBP USD at this point. And then as I buy here, I want to target this previous high, 33.79 is now the first area I'm going to target for the take profit there. So 33.79. Okay. And then of course for the stop loss, you want your stop loss to be below this low here at 31.35. Okay, they give 80% profit. Yeah, the profit split is around there. Okay. Yes, so let's see here. Okay, let's see what's happening. Okay, so even on the 1 hour time frame, this is still the high. The price is going to most likely go and retest from where it is right now. So that is a good level to set the take profit target. Okay. Let me just highlight it for you guys here. Okay. So yeah, that's basically the distance. So this is the target here. Let me write it down. You guys want to take this trade here, feel free to do that. You know what, we do have a high over here. Okay, minor resistance here, which I'm going to actually place as first take profit. Okay, now let me open up this trade as well. Okay, I have two positions here. I will enter another one on GBP USD. Okay. Okay. The GBP USD currently in a buy. Currently in a buy here. Okay, so let me go. I want to go to 30 minutes. Okay. So we do have a resistance here, okay, at 1.3324. So that's going to be the first take profit. Okay. GP number 1. 33. 3. 2. Okay, so guys, I've written down the target for the GBP USD buy right there. Okay, so first TP is at 33 22, second one is at 33.75, and then the last one is at 34.12, and then the SL is at 31.36. Okay, so this is a signal that's going to take a while to play out, okay, because this is a 1 hour time frame, so it's probably going to take like a few hours or so for the price to get at least to the first target. Okay, are you really live? Yeah, I'm live. Okay, so far we've analyzed gold. Okay, gold is currently gonna go up. It's currently bullish. Okay, so already in a buy for gold, number one, and then we analyze Euro USD, and now we will take a look at Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin is the next thing that I will take a look at. Okay. So let's take a look at Bitcoin, okay? GBP USD, we're done with it for now. Okay, let the trade run its course. Now we will look at, let's look at Bitcoin, see what Bitcoin is doing here. Which broker do you use? I use fxcc.com and abaro.com. The brokers that I use, it's on my bio. So if you go to my TikTok bio, you'll see them listed there. Welcome back. Thank you. Alright, so Bitcoin. Alright, Bitcoin right now 61,746. Okay. Now let's go to the daily time frame. Let's see what's happening. Okay, because that's what we want to see. Always see the bigger picture now. Daily is the daily time frame for Bitcoin. Alright, this is the daily time frame. We can see the analysis that I did on Bitcoin last week pretty much played out. Okay, this was the analysis right here. I believe when I analyzed it, Bitcoin was over here, and I told you guys it was heading to 65,000. Okay, that was the target, and this was because the price of Bitcoin, I see buying Bitcoin. Yeah, I see that too, and I'm going to talk about that very soon. But this is basically a double bottom pattern that price formed here on this daily time frame, and then we had the neckline over here at 65,000. So when I analyzed the Bitcoin price, it was actually over here at 60,000, and I told you guys to buy because Bitcoin is heading to 65,000, which is the neckline, aka resistance. Okay, it's going to go target that. This is what happens anytime the price prints a double bottom, okay, which means equal low. Okay, when the price forms equal low like this, okay, it will always go to target that previous high that it formed. The high that it formed literally before coming back to form this double bottom. Okay, so this is why you can see the price came there. So now what happened here, once the price got to that this top here, 65,000 was technically a resistance point. Okay, and then two things is going to happen: either price breaks it or it gets rejected and go down. So what we see is that Bitcoin actually broke 65,000. Okay, it did break 65,000, so that is actually bullish. Okay, it broke that resistance. That's telling us that price wants to go higher. Okay, the price is gonna go higher. So now that it broke here, this is where it broke it. Okay, it broke that resistance right over here. Okay, it broke that resistance here at 60. This candle right here is the one that broke it. And then now, in order for this uptrend to actually begin, Bitcoin has to make sure it doesn't break below this previous low. Okay, this previous higher low here is now the most critical level. So that's 57,000. Okay, so 57,500 is now like the most important low, which price cannot break in order for this uptrend to basically continue. So yeah, so now we can see Bitcoin actually, so actually the support is between 60,500 and 57,000. Okay, so between 60,500 and 57,500 is the current support Bitcoin has to hold in order for it to go back up towards 65,000 and higher. Okay, so far we can see Bitcoin did make it back to 60,000 there, and then right now it's actually holding that support. As you guys can see, it's currently holding it. Now it's going to be extremely powerful if we can get a daily candle closing bullish right at this support here of 60,000. Okay, the current daily candle is currently bullish, but it has not yet closed, so we can't count that. Okay, but we need the candle to close. If the candle ends up closing bullish right above 60,500, this is going to be a very strong confirmation that the market is going to push back up towards 65,000. Okay, so you should look for buying opportunity for Bitcoin right now. You don't want to sell Bitcoin because it is currently sitting as support, and when the price is at support, the best trades to take is a buy. Okay, so now I'm on the 4-hour time frame here. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see price is at that support, but we haven't closed any bullish candlestick yet. Okay, in the 4-hour, the support hasn't been held there. However, if you go to the 1-hour, we can see support actually did get held. Okay, so the support actually did get held there. So this is actually looking good. So far, so good. So I think right now, since we found support here, okay, on the 1-hour time frame, we do have a resistance here at 62,500, which is actually the first area Bitcoin is heading to as of right now. Okay, so Bitcoin is actually heading to 62,600. That's the first target. Okay, and I think once it gets to that level, it might do a little retracement, maybe back to 60,000 again. So you can look to re-enter a buy trade. Okay, once price comes here 62, okay, it will get rejected and then come back down again around 60,000 or whatever, so you can enter buy again. Okay, but you want to be buying Bitcoin anywhere around 57,500 and 60,500. These are all good levels to buy Bitcoin. Okay, gold trade is currently in profit. If you took it, I completely forgot about that trade. Let's see how it's going. Okay, I'm not in profit yet. Okay, currently it's currently a negative 16. Okay, so we're not in profit yet. So yeah, let's keep that trade. Okay, first TP is at 26.64, and the price hasn't gotten there. If you entered lower, then yeah, sure, you are in profit right now. Okay, so I've already analyzed gold. Okay, I've already analyzed gold and currently in a buy for gold. Can you explain, please, Sarah? What do you want me to explain? I am using FXCC, okay, and then I have a battle.com also that I'm using. The links to these brokers that I use is on my TikTok bio. You can go check it out, and feel free to sign up by using that link, okay? That's on my bio. Yeah. You got Discord because I'm looking into getting more trade. I don't have Discord, but I do have a Telegram group which you can join. The link to my Telegram group is in my bio, so just go to my either if you're on YouTube, then go to the YouTube bio. If you're on TikTok, then go to the TikTok bio. Okay, so yeah, I'm a crypto trader. Okay, cool. Are you buying gold? I'm already in a buy for gold. Yeah. Like guys, let's tap on our screen. Let's get the likes to 20,000, please. I really appreciate everybody who's liking the live. Let's tap on our screen, okay? Let's tap on our screen, guys. Oh Lord. Okay. Okay. So yeah, so far we've analyzed gold. Okay, gold currently we are still in an uptrend, so very high chance we're gonna go higher. And then we've looked at GBP looked at Bitcoin, and yeah, now I don't know what else to analyze. Okay, I think I've analyzed enough. Is there any other pair y'all want me to analyze? Let me know. Let me know in the comment section what other pair you would like me to analyze. Okay, holy, okay, you guys are listing so many things. Okay, let's start with US. Start with US 100. Okay, so let's take a look at US 100. A lot of lines here that eat. I'll just delete all this. Okay, let's go on the daily time frame. See what's going on here. Okay. This is going to be paid out, so it's no longer effective. Okay. So this is US 100, currently 19,764. 64, and if we zoom out here, you can see we are pretty much started an uptrend here. Okay, I started an uptrend here, and yeah, so right now, currently the price is at support. Okay, it's currently at support here, 19,600 is our current support, which price is on. So if that support is if the price holds that support, then we will go up. Okay, we want to see a bullish daily candle closing around this price level here, 19,600, 19,900, around there. We want to see a daily bullish candlestick closing at the support for us to know that for sure price is going to go back up there, okay? Because this is the support on the daily time frame, okay? So yeah, and then our current resistance, okay, major resistance on this time frame here is at 20,300, okay, so 319 to be more precise. That is the previous high the price got rejected from, and now it's gone down lower. So yeah, so right now we're at support, and since this pair is currently in an uptrend, you want to look to buy, and right now it's at a very good area to buy. 19,600, 19,900, those are very good support levels to buy this currency pair. And if you do buy, make sure you set your stop loss below 19,300. Okay, that'll be the best area to set your stop loss, around 19,300. Let's go to the 4-hour time. What's happening here? So this is the 4-hour time frame. We can see the uptrend even more clearly right there, and we already got a 4-hour candle closing at that support, so that's actually a good sign. Okay, so this could get the price to actually push back up. We have a high here at 20,000. We have this resistance here at 20,000, right? And this is actually the first area price is going to target. Once it starts going up, we could find rejection there and then come back down. Okay, so that could be stuff if you're actually entering a buy right now from where the price is. You want to get at around 20,000. Okay, let me go to the 1 hour. Let's see if we, yeah, so 20,000 is still the major previous high the price has not yet revisited. So very high chance it's going to go back up. The US 100, look to buy around 19,600, 19,900, okay? And then for your take profit, you want to target 20,000, okay? And for now, if I just look deeper, we can see this is the current 1 hour time frame, right? You can see price, when it got to this, it bounced back up, okay? Bounced up, we got some rejection here. And now we're coming down, but we're most likely going to bounce back up again, okay? Because this is currently a very strong support for the market. So the market is going to keep trying to hold that support in order to move higher, okay? So look for buying opportunities for US 100. So what was the next pair on the list? Let me see. Euro USD. Okay. So NAS 100 Euro USD. So let's look at Euro USD. So let me look at Euro USD. Let's see what's going on here. I already analyzed your Euro USD. Okay, I told you that currently price is building support at 1.1045 here. So between 1.1045 and 1.1085 there. It's currently building support, and I'm expecting the price to go up and retest this resistance here at 1.11. Okay, and then the price is going to do that without breaking below 1.10. Okay, without breaking below 1.10 here. Okay, it's going to do that. So for Euro USD here, you want to look for buys. Okay, you want to enter buys here, and then target the first resistance, which is at 1.11. 1.1114. That's the first resistance, and then the second resistance is at 1.1143. Okay, so that's it. Okay, that's basically the analysis for Euro USD. Okay, so what was next on the line? Can you show GB USD again, please? Okay. So for GBP USD, this one also is a buy. Okay, this is a buy because price is in an uptrend, and currently it has basically bounced up from the support, very strong support at 32.62. Okay, so 32.60, we have very strong support there, and then price basically is holding that support. So as a result, it's most likely going to push up and target this previous high at 33.83, around there. So these are the targets I set here for you guys. If you want to enter a buy, you have the TP number 1 at 33.22, number 2 TPs at 33.75, and then finally 34.12. Okay, are you in a buy on BTC? No, I'm not. I'm not in a buy, but I know BTC is going to go up. Okay, so you guys can enter a buy if you want. I don't trade every pair that I analyze. I trade, you know, I have a limit. I'm not going to trade every single thing that I analyze. This analysis is just for you guys, and I also don't recommend you guys trade everything. Okay, always try to limit your risk. Okay, don't be opening so many different positions on different pairs. You know, just choose like 1 or 2 pairs and then just trade it. Wait for that to make you profit. Once that makes you profit, then you go and enter another trade on a different pair, but don't have a different positions open on so many different pairs. You're over risking yourself. Like, you're just putting yourself up for too much risk, because nothing in trading is guaranteed. One of those trades will definitely go against you. Okay, so just protect yourself. Trade maximum, I'll say maximum 3 pairs at a time in a single trade. Okay, depending on your account size, by the way. If you have a very small account size, meaning like $100, 100, 200, 300, that is very small account, and you don't want to be trading too many pairs. Maximum 1 pair at a time. Build that up, build that account up to like 1,000 or something, and then you start trading more pairs. Okay, all right. So we've I hope you guys can see, this is GBP USD. It is a buy. Now what is the next thing? Someone says my chart is showing sell for USD JPY. Correct me if I'm wrong. My chart is showing me sell on USD JPY. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, let's see. I haven't analyzed this pair in a while, so let's see if you are correct or if you are wrong. Okay, all right, so let me just delete all these lines again. I'll look at GBP JPY very soon. I know I got a few people requesting it, so we'll take a look. So you said that your chart is showing you that USD JPY is a sell. Okay, so let's see. So currently price is in a downtrend. Okay, downtrend, bearish. Okay, right now we are 392. Okay, now we can see we have this previous low. Okay, this is the highest point of price.